Yo, what's up, guys? Another different type of video today, as always. Seems to be a trend on my channel. But today I want to show you guys how to customize your MyAnime profile list to look like this. No, I'm kidding. This one's fine, but really I want to show you guys how to look like this. Now, as you can see, it's super customized. You got some cool features like my name at the top. You can customize your banner. Got your profile picture, you got the scores, tags, rating out of 10, even shows the cover when you hover over it. So obviously it's super cool. It's not easy. This took me like 6 hours to make at least. It's a lot of programming. Not easy for a newcomer especially. And I watch anime. I'm not into coding. Well, now I kind of am after doing this cool project. So I just want to show you guys how to customize it like this. First of all, you're gonna want to go to your profile. Here's mine, and this. So what you're gonna want to do now is press Edit Profile at the top right. Once you're here, go to List Style Design. Now you can pick any of these for anime. I just picked dark pink because why not? But it doesn't affect the CSS at all for your custom thing. Now, as you can see here, we got a layout. You got my list, and then you got the customizer on the left. And here's where the magic happens. You got this big block of code. A lot of text, a lot of links. Not easy, as I said. Just to get started, make sure you have background image, no. Cover image, no. Background image style, nothing there. And then here's where you want to get started. Obviously, I'm not going to make you guys write this big line of code. So the link will be down in the description to this big line of code. All you're going to want to do once you copy it is just paste it into the add custom CSS, and everything will just look just like mine. Super cool banner and name, as I said, all the other stuff too, the dark theme, whatever. And here's where you get to your own customization. Once you have my layout, that I didn't make it, by the way, but I added a bunch of customizations. Link will be down in the description to the creator, probably. All right, so first thing I want to show you guys how to customize is the nameplate thing at the top. Now, what you want to do is go to the top of the CSS that you just pasted in, and go where you see body. Then it says avatar. Avatar is the profile picture. Just put in the link to your profile picture, whatever, like the image, then it'll work. But here's the name. If you want to change this name, go to name and then write it, Mushi Lu. As you can see, it's on 2 lines though. So if you want to have 2 lines, once you write your first name, put a backward slash A, and then which is already there, and then put the second name. Mess around with the amount of spaces. I don't really know, but that's how you change your name. Now, I kind of skipped over the profile picture thing, how you input the link, and it's not straightforward. As you can see, I also inputted my own links for the banner, this cool banner. And I'm having a lot of problems saying this, but what you're gonna want to do is look up any banner. Right here, I got my hero banner, for example. And what you want to do is save image as, just save it as whatever, and then go to image hosting website. Doesn't really matter which one you go to. I recommend Zippy though, pretty good. Now just upload your image. There you go. Now, as you can see, I got this image ready, right? So now, once you see that, open image in new tab by right-clicking, and you can close that. And now you have this image, right? So now, go to the top, copy the image, and then go back to MyAnimeList. Now, as you can see, about in the middle of your code, you have all anime, and then it's like data query, status, blah, blah, blah. Then you got the banner. After banner, you got URL, and then you can put your own link. So for this one, you can see all anime. So it's going to be applied to this page, and you can change the picture for all tabs. So for the first one, I'm gonna change it to the My Hero one I just did, and just copy and paste it. There you go. It's changed. And then we're gonna preview, and boom, it's changed. Obviously, it's not too hard. So yeah, that's what you can do there to change that. Also, when you hover over your score, you can change like what it says on the right. Just by going to score, change the content. Also, you can change things like the color and stuff. I haven't messed around with this. You can do it if you want. And that's pretty much it for customizing this list. Also, if there's a couple more things, like if you go to list settings on your profile settings, you go to list, you can change like which columns to show. I have all of these because you can see like cool stuff like your start and end date, total days watched. You can even see the studio. Also, yeah, you can see tags and stuff. So yeah, guys, hope this video helped you customizing it. Also, you can add any type of CSS in here. You know, you can have it doesn't have to be my template. Just look up on the internet MyAnimeList banner things, and you'll find a bunch of good stuff. So yeah, hopefully this video helped you guys. Have a nice day.